Hi, it's Amelia, Immobiliser Fit. Today I've done another Starline stealth system, which gives you a push sequence and phone paired pro immobiliser, along with an app-based tracking system with no subscription. So if someone hopped in with a clone key, started the vehicle up, selected a gear, you see it switches off, as you have to go through what's called authorization. So what we've got to do now, start the vehicle up, put a PIN code in. We've kept it simple at 1, 2, 3 for the video. Receive a melody. Now we can select a gear, the vehicle runs. If the customer's phone's in the vehicle and within the Bluetooth range that we've set, there's no need to use the PIN code. They'll just start the vehicle up as they normally do, hear that melody, and then they can drive away. If they want to change the PIN code to sound a little bit longer and harder to guess, first you have to disarm the system, get your disarm tone. Now press one of the buttons 5 times, cycle the ignition off and back on. Get 5 bleeps, it's ready to learn, so we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a confirmation and we'll repeat that code again. Should get a confirmation again. There we go, that's the code learnt. So ignition off, we'll give it 10 seconds and then we'll try the new code. So start it up, no melody because you haven't put the PIN code in. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's our PIN code. Do that again, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, we've got our disarm tone, we can drive the vehicle. Also, if they want to take this for a service, obviously take it back to Range Rover and don't want to give them the code, they just want it to act as a normal vehicle. They want to put it into service mode, and how you do that is first disarm the system, then press any button 11 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll cycle the ignition, get 2 bleeps, and it will confirm it's in service mode. There we go. So now this acts like a normal car, Range Rover can get in, drive it around their workshop, no immobiliser technically fitted. And when you get it back, all you need to do is ignition on, pop in your disarm code and get 2 bleeps. There we go. Now the vehicle's protected again. As I said, this is the Starline Stealth. So this immobiliser protects against free-layer attack, key cloning and other devices that they're now using to steal the vehicles. And also, in the event that it gets lifted, you've got your subscription-free tracker to locate the vehicle to wherever they may have towed it off to. We're Immobiliser Fit. If you want to secure your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.